Hey guys, how you all going? Hey, have you guys seen that moon out there tonight? The super moon? That's pretty cool. I'm going to go out there later on and check it out and take a few photos. So obviously in Australia it's Monday night and the super moon is happening, but elsewhere it's going to be on a different day. But they do say that funny things happen when super moons like this come along. So I'll be interested to watch the news tomorrow and see what comes up. Okay, hey Sky, how you going? So today I wanted to talk to you about creating curiosity with your business. So obviously if you're in a home-based business or network marketing or some sort of direct sales business, this is more so for you. But what can happen is you really want to create curiosity for what you're doing instead of pitching and spamming and trying to sell everything all over your social media and pages and groups and all that sort of stuff. So I just wanted to sort of have an overall view on that, because I used to do that when I first started. Obviously we learn from our mistakes, so I know that doing the wrong thing is, I want to now tell people not to do that as well. Hey Shari, how you going? So yeah, so creating curiosity for your products or your business is much better than being out there and planting every single product and every single name of the product and the business name and all that over Facebook or Instagram and all that sort of stuff. And the reason for that is, if you start posting the product names and pictures of the products with the product names and the business name and all that sort of stuff, what do you think is going to happen? People go and Google that. And there's nothing wrong with that, but anything that you Google, you will find negative information on. Doesn't matter what it is. If you think about almonds, nuts, go and Google nuts and you will see bad information about them. If you Google babies, you will see negative information. If you go and Google anything, motorbikes, you'll find bad information, won't you? So it's the same with our companies. And then what people do is they go out there, they see that you're promoting these products or trying to sell on these products or something like that, and they firstly, because you've already given them that information of the product name and the company name and all that, they then will go and Google it and they'll find something negative about it to come back to you and say, no thanks, don't want it because this has been said about it, which is ridiculous because we all know that, and Google tells you a million different things, so that's not the right way to go. Obviously you want to look at the true facts, and most network marketing companies have amazing products and direct sales and all that sort of stuff, multi-level marketing. And it's the same with, any sort of business. A small business, bricks and mortar, doesn't have to be just network marketing that I'm talking about or home-based business that I'm talking about, but this is obviously related to that because you see it all the time. You see people out there. I'll give you an example. It's like someone promoting weight loss shakes, just say, and they're out there promoting, they've got the bottle of the shake there, they're taking a photo of it, it's got the shake's name, it's got the ingredients, the company name all over it, they're saying exactly what it's doing and what it can do for the body and all that sort of stuff. And obviously people, they already know enough to not want to come to you and say, hey, can you tell me more about that shake, because you're out there already telling them exactly what it is in that one post or in that one picture or whatever. So this is why they say, instead of posting stuff like that, create curiosity. So if you are in, like a weight loss shakes type of business, I'm not, but I'm just saying, I'm just using that as an example. Hey Ali, how you going? Hey Tammy. So if you are in that sort of a business, you want to create curiosity. So why not have something like a picture of the smoothie that you made with the shake mix and have that next to something else, or a picture of you with that drinking it. But you're not showing the company name, you're not showing the product name, you're not showing the ingredients, and that creates curiosity. It's the same with if you did a before and after picture and your weight loss goals, and you've got before and after pictures of that, and then you're showing that to people and they're like, wow, look how much weight you've lost 20 kilos, how have you done that? They're going to ask you because you look amazing. So if you had pictures all over your Facebook or Instagram or whatever social media and you had those pictures up there, people aren't even going to ask you, or probably wouldn't even get on and congratulate you, because they know exactly what you're doing, exactly what products you're using, and they're going to go and search for that themselves without even coming to you first. So creating curiosity is massive in attracting people to you. So I know this works firsthand because, as I said, when I first started my business, I was doing it all wrong and it was sending people in the other direction. Whereas now I have people reach out to me every single day, and it's because I create curiosity with what I'm talking about and the things that I'm, you know, putting out there onto my pages and social media and that sort of stuff. So, hey Gemma, how are you? Yeah. So, you know, you really don't want to be out there just plastering everything that you do all over your Facebook. Obviously, the best thing to do is to give people value or show them what your products can do without having to mention the products. There are some amazing products. You don't need to be, you know, you don't need to be plastering it everywhere and hoping that they come to you because of that. It won't work. It never works. So the best way is to create that curiosity and to build a really good following of people that are seeing that curiosity day by day. You know, if you're putting it out there all the time, people are going to start to see that. And Facebook and Instagram, they all, you know, the more people like your stuff and the more people that comment and all that, everything goes, you know, to the top of Facebook in your feeds and all that sort of stuff. So that's what you should be doing. If you're in those industries or that sort of business, the home-based, network marketing, multi-level, direct sales, all that sort of stuff, we know that that is the best way, that creating that curiosity and really just sharing your journey with the products that you promote or with the products that your friends promote that you also use. You know, these don't have to be products that you sell, but they could still be, you could still be helping out your friend by promoting them for them in a curious way. So I hope that makes sense. I think it does. Hey Kylie, how you going? Hey Brandon. Oh my God, Brandon's in Canada, I think. That's pretty cool. I haven't spoken to Brandon in a long time, but he's with our company as well, so that's awesome. And he would know, Brandon would know, put a thumbs up, Brandon, because you would know about creating curiosity for what we have rather than plastering everything all over your social media platforms. It's just not the right way. And I do have a lot of training on this that I've gone through, which has helped me to get to where I am now, and obviously I can share that with people if anyone's interested. And you can also go onto my JanelleEmma.com website, which shows all the other posts that I've done for my 30-day challenge, and you can follow my journey there if you like. And I can also give you value, you know, offline as well or personally through Messenger and all that sort of stuff, which I have been doing lately because a lot of people have been reaching out to me. So that's really cool as well. Yeah, Brandon's saying hello. Hey Nika, how you going? Yeah, so I hope you got some value from that. Creating curiosity is the best thing. And Stacey's just joined as well. Hey Stace. I should just keep talking because everyone's now getting on. But anyway, if anyone wants any more information on that or you want me to do, I can actually create a webinar on that because I now have that much information from the training I've been doing. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to one day create a webinar on that to teach other people. And it's the same with these Facebook Lives. I've now done enough of these and enough training on them that I can now go out and I'm going to create webinars for that and you know, different training materials and stuff like that as well. So stay tuned if you're wanting to look for that sort of stuff, or reach out to me if you're wanting it privately. Hey Katie. Yeah, and so otherwise, I hope you all have an amazing Monday night or wherever you are, whatever night it is, and go and watch that awesome supermoon that's out there. And I will talk to you again soon. I don't have many more of these Facebook Live challenges to do, but I think I'm going to keep going with them. Give me a thumbs up if you want me to keep going with this and if you're getting some value from that, because you know, I'm actually enjoying doing them, and I'm enjoying spreading the word on, you know, just on our you know, home-based business and how you can do that around your kids and what sort of businesses you can have, and you know, all that sort of stuff. So I really think that, you know, I want to be one of those people that can share that out there into the world. And so I think I'm going to keep doing these videos, which is, you know, back when I started this video, what would it have been, 25 days ago, there's no way I would have said that I would have kept going with them, and now I'm going to. So it might not be every day, but it'll just be, you know, consistently and maybe every second day, and I'll hopefully be giving you as much value as I'm learning along the way. So I thank you all for listening in, and I will see you tomorrow.